Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Haha, what's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today we got another banger, late night daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's get right into the action. All right, so now on to the daily market news. We have officially dropped below $1 trillion at $9.968 million. I'm sorry, billion dollars. We are under $1 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is just barely holding above 20,000. Ethereum is at 1495. BNB, a huge sale right now on BNB. Crazy. XRP is still pretty much the same thing. Let's see the biggest winners and the biggest losers. The biggest winners is Internet Computer 6.6 up. Matic actually up almost 5% today. Cardano almost 4%. And the biggest losers, Lay down 5%, and Quant. Huge steal on Quant right now. So pretty crazy. All right, so on the crypto bubbles, kind of a mixed bag. It's not looking too horrible, honestly. It was down pretty darn bad. So and we're gonna get into why that happened. The dust has kind of settled a little bit. So first, here's a little video. Paying BTC Lightning is faster than paying with Visa. Pretty cool. You guys know I just want to give you some bullish news when things are bearish. I'll give you that little bit of hopium. Now, there was all this talk about JP, but this is actually what happened. And JP does move the markets. Jerome Powell does move the markets, but 400 million in liquidations daily as Bitcoin dipped below 20K. That's exactly why the actual reason why it dipped. Yes, JP was being hawkish, but this is nothing new. It's going to be like this until 2024. This is the actual reason why Bitcoin dipped below 20K. Right here, $400 million in liquidation. Now, over 500 billion outflows of Bitcoin's market cap in 2022 as Bitcoin grasps to hold at 20K. Again, they're saying, like, you know, Jerome Powell is, you know, more dips in the bear markets to coming. Fed pivot. Rest in peace, y'all, because the U.S. stock market has wiped out $1.025 trillion. That's all it is. It's just like, you know, here's the narrative on the market maker, in my opinion. So, Oddsy says his lawsuit from BitBoy is not over. Okay? So, every 226 person on the planet currently owns at least $1 in Bitcoin. More Bitcoin bullish news, give you guys a little bit of hopium while the markets are looking like this, because in my opinion, slow and steady gains get rich quick. Guys, this is the time to dollar cost average. Don't be trying to catch a falling knife. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, but consider heavily on dollar cost averaging into crypto, into the stock market, into whatever. Because this is the time, this is what the whales are doing. Make no mistake about that. Now, Three Arrows Capital co-founder concerned about facing prison time, as he should be, in my opinion. Now, Gary Scale disclosed SEC says cryptos XLM, Zcash, Zen may be securities. Again, more and more FUD knocking it down while they scoop up all the deals. While BlackRock, Google, while Amex, all these major companies are scooping up all these deals. So now, what really happened was over here. So basically, yesterday, after the dust settles, here's the narrative news on why cryptocurrencies and the stock market was down. Jerome Powell was very hawkish and said they're going to be hawkish for the remainder of 2023. It's looking like 75 basis points. It could be 50 basis points, which basis points just means that if it were 1 basis points, that means they're raising interest rates 1%. And if it were 50 basis points, that means it's 0.5%. So 75%, 75 basis points means they're raising interest rates 0.75%, which is it's a huge amount. So it's looking like they're going to do that. They're trying to get the target to 2% inflation. In my opinion, they're going to keep doing this. They will keep doing this until 2024, when coincidentally Bitcoin will be happening. And then once that happens, that is the time. But right now is the time, in my unprofessional opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but for me and mine's, what we're doing is dollar cost averaging every single week. You don't sweat it. You don't trip. Buy the dip. Right now, have a little dry powder on the side, maybe 10%, 20% each week. If you had like $100, say, maybe take $20 and put it into USDC. So for times like right now, you can go ahead and deploy some of that capital along with your dollar cost average, because that is the tried and true method on how to win in cryptocurrency. You could have bought Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not even my favorite one, but you could have bought Bitcoin at any point in time. All-time highs, all-time lows, it doesn't matter. If you would have held for 3 years, you would have made money. You cannot say that about anything else. You can't say that about the stock market, which I'm a fan of. You can't say that about real estate, which I'm a fan of. You can't say that about gold, which I'm a fan of. You can't say that about silver. You cannot say that about anything else, but you can say that about Bitcoin. So just have that 3-year horizon, dollar cost average, dollar cost average, dollar cost average. Move like the whales move, even if you don't have whale money. So if you made it this far into the video, you are a real one, and I appreciate every single one of you. So comment down. The word of the day is going to be whale. Okay? I'm doing a 1500 H-bar giveaway for the person that has the correct word the most, the person that has the funniest word or the funniest comment. They will get 500 H-bar, and the person that has the most meaningful comment will get 500 H-bar. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, subscribe to the channel so you can speed up the process, because I will be doing this 1500 H-bar giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. So go ahead, hit that follow button, subscribe to the channel, speed up the process. I appreciate every single one of you. Peace, love, prosperity, God first. God bless.
Hustling, 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 every